Hey everybody, this is a real quick video to show you how to use this Emson rice robot rice cooker. It is super easy to use. You're going to see really quickly. So this is all, it comes with this. So it comes with the measuring cups already. So this clear cup is your rice cup and this blue cup is your water cup. So however much rice, you can see it's very easy. Like if you fill this up, I don't know if you can see that there. If you fill the whole rice cup up, then you'll fill the whole water cup up. Or you can also do it like if you do it half, then you can also just do half over here. So, or I got the wrong side, but half over here. So all we need to do is we're just going to pop this open. Now this top thing here is actually a vegetable steamer. It's a steamer, so like if you want to steam some vegetables while the rice is cooking, you can put it in here. But all you're going to do is you're going to put your rice. This is the rice bowl. You're going to put your rice in here. Then you're going to put your water in here. Then, if you want, you put your steamer in here with your steamed with the vegetables or whatever you want to steam. Close it, and then you're just going to this switch down here. You're just going to switch it down, and it's going to automatically do everything and cook it for you. And then once it's done cooking, it will automatically know, and this will just pop. You might hear it click, and the light will go from cook to warm, and then now it'll just keep your food warm. Once it's cooked, you can again pop the lid, take this out. You have your rice scooper right here that comes with it, and this also comes out, so all of this can just go straight into the dishwasher and be cleaned. So anyways, that's all there is to it. It's a very simple device. If you're interested in it, I'll put a link down below to where you can get it.